no, it's not in her.
Vishwesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur South, Ambadari Road, Nagpur, Maharashtra 440010. It is established in the year 1960. If we see about the rankings of NIT Nagpur, it has ranked 27 in engineering category according to NIRF 2020 and in between 101 to 150 in overall category of NIRF 2020. According to Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements in 2020, it has ranked in the range 11 to 25. If we talk about the connectivity to NIT Nagpur, its modes of transportation to NIT Nagpur, nearest bus stand is Nagpur bus stand, which is 5.8 kilometers from the campus, and the nearest railway station is Nagpur Junction railway station, 7 kilometers from the campus. Nearest airport is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur, 8 kilometers from the campus. And modes of admissions through JMNs followed by JOSA and CSAP counseling. And courses offered by NIT Nagpur are Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Mining Engineering. If we see the seat matrix of NIT Nagpur, total number of seats available in NIT Nagpur are 944. Then coming to cutoffs, here I mentioned general category, gender neutral, female only, category cutoffs, home state and other state wise. If you need your category wise cutoffs, I will leave the link in the description. You can go and watch according to your category. Then coming to fee structure, institution fees is 62,500 per semester and 10,000 as a caution money which is refundable and 5,500 is a one time fee. Coming to hostel fees, it is 16,000 for mess. It is per semester plus for boys 24,000 per sem and girls 23,100 per sem. Talking about the scholarships provided by NIT Nagpur, for the students whose category is SC, ST and PH will get a 100 tuition fee waiver, and for those students, general and OBC students whose family income is less than 1 lakh per annum will get a full remission of their tuition fee, and for those students whose family income is between 1 lakh to 5 lakhs will get 2/3 of the tuition fee as a remission. Then talking about the placements, highest package is 22 lakhs per annum in 2018 and average CSC package is 11 lakhs per annum. Overall average is 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. 130 plus companies will be visiting for the campus placements. 522 jobs offered till 28th June 2020, and in the campus you can maintain a 7.5 plus pointer which is the safest. And famous companies that visit for campus placements are Amazon, D-Sha, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Samsung, Maruti Suzuki. And on the left side here you can see the 3 years analysis of placement, number of students placed and number of students graduated. In 2016 and 17, 663 students are graduated. In that 490 students are placed. Same like 2016, 17, 18 season also 663 students are graduated. Out of that 420 students are placed, and in 18-19 season total 678 students are graduated. Out of that 437 students are placed. And this is a graphical form of statistics of 2016 to 17, 17-18, 18-19 seasons placements and graduated students, and you can see the percentage of placements. You can see in 16-17 the percentage of placements are 73.91, 17-18 is 63.635, to 18-19 is 64.45. And talking about infrastructure of NIT Nagpur, it has spread across 215 acres, and main thing about this is like Warangal, it is also inside the city so that you can explore the outside city as well. And classes, library, labs are spacious and well maintained, and it is a high speed Wi-Fi enabled campus. Coming to sports, cricket, football, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, basketball has there with a sports complex itself, and curriculum is amazing and meet latest technology. Then research facilities are available, and canteen, juice center are available inside the campus. Medical center is available which is 24/7 open. Then ATM, bank, post office are also available inside the campus. And talking about the hostels, 7 boys hostels are there and 4 girls hostels, and gender ratio is girl is to boys is 1:4. And in first year you will be getting a double sharing room, and from mostly in third year and fourth year you may get single sharing room. Then inside the room you will be getting bed, table, chair, bookshelf, cupboard, and the rooms are spacious and good enough. and it's a common washrooms, and in every room you will be having a LAN ports with high speed internet, and inside the hostel you will be having a common rooms with an LED TV, table tennis and carom, and inside the hostel you will be having a night canteen is also available, and mess food is okay. You can't expect more from a government college, and curfew timing is 10 p.m. for girls. Hangout places in the campus for chit chatting, mostly these are the things which I have gathered from my friends who are in NIT Nagpur. For chit chat places, they usually sit in these places like Hostel Block 2 and COP, and outside Girls Hostel and at Library Lawn. And coming to canteens in NIT Nagpur inside the campus, Sonubaya Canteen and Nescafe. These two are the places which you can hang out with your friends, with chill out, and you can have a good discussions over there. And coming to hangout places outside the campus, food outlets, Chinese center like Pani Puri, Momo, juice points is available outside main gate of the campus. Then Ambazari Lake, which is a very coolest place near to the campus. Cafe Coffee Day, Ice Cream Parlor, Ramtek Temple, and coming to the malls, Central, Eternity, Empress Mall. And coming to restaurants, Shami Mehfil and Dawat Mahal. And talking about the fest in NIT Nagpur, Arohi is the annual cultural fest and Axis is the annual technical fest. Speaking about the clubs, there are many clubs available in the NIT Nagpur so that students can excel in extracurricular activities too, like music, dance, robotics, photography, dramatic, and many more. Then faculty are really good, supportive, and highly qualified. And you need to maintain a 75% of strict attendance to attend for end semester exams.